So over here, you can see that I have a frame, and let's say what I want to do is I want the content over here to scroll down if I were to press a button, and I want it to scroll up as well if I were to press a button. So let us bring in the button. So I'm going to go around over here on the top and bring in a polygon and click and drag to draw this out right here, just like this. So I'm going to go around over here onto design and then color this out. So this is the button, as you can see. So if I were to click on this, I want this to scroll to the top. Similarly, I'm going to go around, click and drag around another shape right here, rotate this around right here, just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see. So I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go to prototype. So I'm going to click and drag this over here. So let's say I want this button to click over to be linked over here on the first square right here. So now on click, I want it to scroll to this rectangle right here. So this rectangle, I want it to scroll to this rectangle, and I want the animation to be there. So I want the animation to be there, and let's say it is going to be in A's in and A's out form right here. And then this is going to be 600 milliseconds. So similarly, I want this button over here to link out to the bottom part right here. So this is the bottommost rectangle, as you can see. So let's say I want it to scroll down over there. So that is linked out there. So I want it to scroll down to that particular rectangle. So if I were to click on this, it will scroll to this. If I were to click on this, then it will scroll to that. So if I were to press the play button now, then what happens is that it opens up the prototype right here. As you can see, so it's just loading out. And now if I were to click on this, you can see that it scrolls down to the bottom. And if I were to click on this, it scrolls down to the top. So now you can simply click over here to go to the topmost part or the bottommost part, as you can see. And this really makes the prototype that you have interactive inside of Figma. So that is how you can use the scroll to option inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe